Aspiration doesn't begin with the monumental. It begins with a simple question. How can Vietnamese enterprises truly master their own technology? In a rapidly changing world, as manufacturing enters the era of automation, data, and AI, Weldcom chose a difficult path, prioritizing core capabilities and digital governance over superficial growth. Over 20 years, evolving from a trading company, Weldcom has steadily built its internal foundation: people, technology, and operations. We are gradually perfecting our value chain by integrating advanced engineering and breakthrough solutions into real production, ready to join our customers in reaching global markets. But to go further, aspiration isn't enough. With expanding scale, complex markets, and rapid technological shifts, we know an old model cannot reach new heights. Therefore, Weldcom restructured, not to fragment, but to deepen our core values. Each sector became a dedicated strategic business unit, focused on the right industry, customers, and core strengths. BIW line, Vehicle Body Production Solutions, large-scale manufacturing systems from underbody and framing to full body assembly, delivering the precision, productivity, and long-term scalability that founds modern manufacturing, where every detail is engineered for tomorrow. SMS line, Sheet Metal and Supporting Industries Automation, making flexible automation more achievable than ever. Weldcom guides enterprises from semi-automation to intelligent automation, optimizing costs, enhancing performance, and progressively elevating Vietnam's mechanical manufacturing capabilities. Struct line, Steel Structure Solutions, from process consulting and technology selection to deploying automated production lines, Weldcom sets new standards for steel structure and heavy industry, where productivity, efficiency, and investment value advance together. TechMart, Distribution and Retail Channel. Beyond supplying genuine equipment and spare parts, TechMart delivers a comprehensive ecosystem of products, technical services, and long-term partnerships, building a transparent and sustainable business environment. Each SBU is an independent engine, proactively driving its own strategic goals, yet all connect within a unified end-to-end value chain. Decisions are data-driven, cost and pricing strategies are consistently optimized. Behind every SBU is our shared core technology and engineering division, ensuring technology mastery, standardizing solutions, and transferring knowledge across the network. This allows each SBU to move fast and deep, while Weldcom operates synchronously, agile, and resilient on its global journey. Weldcom is now unleashing its collective strength. Built on integrity, discipline, creativity, and systems thinking, we are synchronizing our network to meet the standards of a global technology enterprise. This journey isn't just ours, it's shared with customers and partners to narrow the technology gap between Vietnam and leading industrial economies. Weldcom Aspiration 2026. To master technology, to create sustainable value, to elevate Vietnamese ingenuity onto the global stage.